So while you're working around with project, you can make some changes to general project settings as well. So to do that, you need to go around and click on the gear icon right here when the project is open, and you can see that you can access the general settings right here. So over here, you cannot change out the editing mode or time base right here. That is because it is already set. The frame size as well, it is already set. But here you can see that you can change around the display format from frames right here, from 25 FPS timecode to frames right here, and press OK. And then you can see that frames has been changed out. The timeline shows frames instead of seconds right here. So that is what you can do. Apart from that, you can change around the title action safe area, as you can see right here. So let's say, for example, if I were to go around and change out, enable the safe margin right here and click on the gear button, then you can go around and change around the title action safe area. So let's just go around over here and say 5 right here, just like this, and press OK. And what happens is that the title action safe, so this is 5% over here at the end, and there's 30% over here, as you can see. So I can go around and work around with it. So I can display the format of audio in audio samples or milliseconds over here as well. So under audio, it'll be shown as milliseconds over here. So that is what you have. So if I were to go around over here, then you can see the frames right here, just like this. So that is how you can change around some of the project general settings while you're actually working with Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.